Welcome to Violet Crown Aerial, where the sky is no longer the limit. With our state-of-the-art drone technology, we bring a new perspective to every project. Whether you're in real estate, construction, event planning, or filmmaking, Violet Crown Aerial delivers breathtaking visuals that elevate your vision. Revolutionize your listings with stunning aerial views that showcase properties like never before. Monitor construction progress, ensure safety, and make informed decisions with detailed aerial insights. With photogrammetry, Violet Crown Aerial transforms your construction projects by creating detailed 3D models and topographic maps from high-resolution aerial images. This cutting-edge technology enables precise measurements, efficient site planning, and accurate progress tracking, ensuring that every phase of your project is executed with unparalleled accuracy and insight. Capture the magic of your special events from an angle that truly takes your breath away. And for filmmakers, our drones are the perfect tool to add that cinematic touch to your story. Discover the Violet Crown Aerial difference. Visit us at violetcrownaerial.com and let us take your project to new heights. Violet Crown Aerial. Elevate your vision.